In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote Clickbank products for free, literally just using YouTube. Best part is you don't have to show your face, record your voice, or anything like that. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And subscribe to my channel right now and turn on post notifications to be notified when I release more videos like this. And without further ado, let's get straight into this training. First things first, for this Clickbank tutorial, you're going to need a Clickbank account, of course. And I'm assuming most of y'all, if y'all watching this video, you already got a Clickbank account. Y'all just want to learn the method, but for those who don't, just come over to Clickbank, fill out the 3 easy steps: personal information, banking information, and your account information, and you'll pretty much be good to go. Next thing you can do is just come over to the affiliate marketplace so you can find the product to promote. Click on the search bar to bring up all the products. Now to speed up this video, I already got an offer selected we're going to use for the rest of this tutorial. We're going to be going with the flat belly fix. It pays out $42 per sale and has a gravity of 143. That basically means that's 143 different people who recently made a sale promoting this product, which is all good news. And it is one of the top offers on the Clickbank marketplace. Recommend whatever offer you promoting. Check out the sales page. Make sure it looks good, and it's something that you would be interested in buying if you was interested in the niche. You know what I mean? So the sales page look very, very simple, plain little VSL, and people, they don't want to watch the video, they can click, if they prefer to read it, they can click here to the text version and buy it that way. Now for the traffic source that we're going to be using to drive traffic to our offers is YouTube, because YouTube is the second largest website in the entire world, and why wouldn't you want to be on YouTube? Besides that, there's people that's searching for products to buy stuff. You know, people on Facebook and Instagram, things like that, they're not really looking to buy anything, looking for products. They on there to socialize, gossip, and, you know, just be involved in everybody else's life. But normally when they come to YouTube or Google, they're looking for how-tos, product reviews, and things like that. So if you position yourself to be a creator that's making videos with answers to their problems, they'll most likely buy from you. So what we could do is create content around keywords that people in this niche will be searching for. So for example, if you was interested in this offer, which is the flat belly fix, you're probably trying to lose weight. So if you come to YouTube, more than likely you would type in something like how to lose belly fat fast for women, or just how to lose belly fat for women. So yeah, you would make content around these different keywords. So as you can see before, when I was typing in, when I started out how to lose belly fat, they gave me all these different suggestions that people were searching for. So what I do is just create content all around these keywords and try to get the rankings so I can get some views and things like that. But, you know, as a new channel, it's hard to rank for keywords this big. Look at the competition. 3.1 million views. The channel got 1 million subscribers. This one got almost 700,000 subscribers, 5 million views. So that shouldn't really deter you from making videos, because there's a few ways you can get views on the YouTube by getting into the related tab, which is on the right hand side of YouTube videos. So let me show y'all, for example. You can also get views from the home page. You know, when you first come to YouTube, you see a bunch of videos. They got trending, related, watch again, and things like that. You can get views that way. So if you don't get the search rankings, it's not the end of the world. But this is the related section that I was mentioning earlier. And I'm going to show y'all an easy way to get into the related section in 1 second. So now you might be asking, okay, we got the keyword, we got the offer. How am I going to create content? I don't want to get on video, don't got no money to spend, don't want to make no website. I got you. So what we're going to use is a little thing called Content Samurai. Content Samurai is basically a video where you can basically create videos. All you need is a simple video script to insert into the software, and it will come up with the whole entire video for you. Very, very high quality video. So and it comes with a free 7-day trial. I'll leave a link down below. And once you create your account, this is pretty much what the dashboard look like. You just click on create a new video. And first things first, you want to pick a template. So let's say, for instance, we want to go with, let's just say this template. For example, use this template. Now all we got to do is paste the video script. So what I'm about to do is grab my script and come right back. All right, so now I inserted my video script for the flat belly fix. So I'm going to go back to our YouTube notes. We are trying to rank for, here it goes, keyword, how to lose belly fat for women. So I want to keep this keyword and put it inside my YouTube notes for later. We can name our video that as well. The title: How to Lose Belly Fat Fast for Women. Create scenes for video. Now, mind you, like I said, they create all this stuff completely inside the software, so you don't have to do all the legwork yourself. But this is pretty much what it looks like. If you don't like the video that they use, you can change it out for the different keywords. You just click on exercise, for example. You can scroll down. Let's say we want to use this one. Before you get into any kind of exercise, you can come down to learn how to burn belly fat for women. I just like tongue twisted. But you can change the scenes. There's 52 different scenes you could change. So if you like this video but didn't like, let's say scene number 2, you can change that one out with this. Boom. Say scene 3, you can change that out with this one maybe. You can just keep going down until you finish. But like I said, it's 50 of them. I'm not about to do that on this video. So once you're satisfied, you just come down to add a voice track. You can leave it music only. You can do auto voice. Let's say, for instance, we want to use Kate. Play a sample of her voice.
Hi, my name is Kate and I would love to read the script for your
different
video.
people that you can use.
Hi, my name is Isla and I would love to read.
So let's say we want to use this one. I probably wouldn't if I was for real about to upload this, but generate the scenes, man, so y'all can see a preview of what it would look like. Turn up the volume a little bit. So while that's doing that, we can actually go to our YouTube file and build out our file so we can upload onto YouTube. So for example, how to lose belly fat for women. I like to put that first line in my title and capitalize the first letter in every word. Belly fat for women. Next thing I might want to do, maybe say, so if it's a step-by-step on how to lose belly fat, then I would add that at the end in parentheses. 4 easy steps with an exclamation point. Boom. In my description, what I do is basically just go back to the affiliate marketplace, grab my affiliate link for this offer, put your account nickname, generate hop links, copy that, go back to the notes, add that into our description. Now right before the actual affiliate link, I like to make a call to action. So let's say, for instance, we go back to the offer. Call to action is basically telling them what to do. It's simple. Just copy it from the headline. I normally do it another way, but for the video's sake, leave it like this. And maybe go to Emojipedia and grab a right arrow emoji so people to know. Click on this link for more information. So, boom. Backspace. Alright, so boom. This simple morning habit accidentally melted 84 pounds of fat. And if they want to learn more about that, they just click the link below. And of course, I would add more information inside the description, maybe like a quick summary of the video they just watched, etc., etc. And there's other stuff inside the description that you'll need to better rank in your video. But from there, let's go back to all we need now is some tags that we can use for our video. And to get the tags that we can use, so maybe we want to take the tags off of this video that was going viral. So what you do is just click on it. Let's see. Also, before I even show y'all how to rip the tags, you're gonna need the vidIQ Chrome extension, which comes completely free if you got Chrome. It's a free extension. You can go to the web store and download it. It only takes a couple seconds, and then once you come to a video that you want to rip the tags from, you just copy it right here. As you can see, this video is ranking for this tag, pretty much majority of them except 3. And from there, you can come back, go back to the note file, paste in your tag, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, we can go to Content Samurai and look at our preview of the video. As you can see, it's 2 minutes long.
Before you get into any kind of exercises to learn how to burn belly fat fast for women, make sure that it is important for you to also learn how to do warm-up exercises.
You can see pretty much how it looks. And once you're satisfied with that, which is high quality videos, every one that I made was very, very amazing. I can use for my channels. And from there, you just click on looks good, continue. Once it's done, it should say generate video. Now this is the video file that they will give you so that you can upload to YouTube 100% free for 7 days straight. And from there, boom, you got your video, you got your title, you got your description you can use, you got your tags, and the keyword that you're ranking for. Literally, the last thing you're going to need now is a thumbnail that you can use for YouTube. So you can come to pexels.com and get a royalty-free image. So we can search for belly fat, and we can use maybe this image right here. Oh wait, let's see. Oh, that was a sponsor. So I meant to weight loss. So we can actually search for weight loss, and we can actually open this in a new tab, or open an image in a new tab, and literally just upload this into YouTube, and we pretty much good to go from there. But that's pretty much this method, man. Like I said, we went over everything. You got the content, got the title, got your description, got the tags you can use, and the keyword that you want to rank for. Now, of course, it's more than just uploading this to YouTube on how you can get rankings fast inside the homepage views, the related tab, and the search results. I can't go over all that inside this video because I go over it in detail inside my YouTube passive income course. But it's exactly how I make my full-time income from home. If you want more information on that, definitely recommend you go check that out. First link in the description down below. If you like this video, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, and subscribe to my channel right now and turn on post notifications for more videos like this. And I will see you all in the next one.